And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today I thought I'd have a look at the app for the Weebill Lab. It's not the most reliable app I've come across, but we will connect. So the only thing I found with this is it is an absolute nightmare to connect to the device. Once it's connected, we're not too bad. Right, when you actually start up the Weebill Lab and you've got the app finally working and we're connected now, you can actually control the Weebill Lab from the app, so we can change what setting it's in. We've got vortex. I'll take it into vortex mode, into lock mode. Well, what I wanted to look at is some of the modes you can actually use with the Weebill Lab that are useful for the X-T3 or any of the Fuji cameras. And if I do Panorama, I'll set it at that point there, put a waypoint, and we'll put it just there. I'll add a waypoint. I'll have 10 waypoints, no verticals. I'm going to stop 2 seconds at each one. And we'll start. So I'll go there, I'll take a shot. 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 And there we go. About 10 shots. Another one we can use trajectory photography. And this, I think, for a YouTuber or a one-man band is, yeah, excellent. So I start at that point there, and we finish there. On the next page, we're making a video. We can't shutter speed because I say we can't. And we've got to figure out how long it's going to take us to work from there to there. So let's have a go. So let's go 10 seconds. Now what we do is, we've got all that set up, start recording. And the camera tracks along. So if we do that again, so trajectory photography. So we take the pan there, and put it there. Add a tilt. We'll start it at the ground and add that point there. We'll then move to that point, tilt it up, at that point, then we'll add it to there, at that point. And I think we'll tilt it up. Add it that point. Next. Get that to take 10 seconds again. Set the recording going. Start here. And there we go. You can get it to follow you. As I say, that's really all you can actually do as regards controlling the camera. There's nothing else you can control on the camera. You've got calibration that you can do. There is scene modes. Walking, which is on at the moment, motion, custom. You can change your pan, your tilt, roll rates, dead zones. You can control the gimbal. With that, I think for Fujifilm users, Panorama, you know, 180 preset. That's one of the presets it's got in it. It's a 3x3. There, the presets it's got. If we start there, start there, 5, do that in 3 waypoints. I'll try that again. So we've got 5 horizontal waypoints, 3 vertical waypoints. We'll start there. Back on. We'll start at that point. And come to that point. Get to that point. There. And then it takes 15 seconds to do that. Recording. We'll start recording. That's a quick look at the Weebill Lab app as it relates to Fujifilm. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Any comments on different videos you'd like me to do, put in the comments below. If you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button. And if you want notifications, hit that bell. See you later.